To Backyard Growing SA, and today we'll be installing a drip irrigation system. Let's get to it. The pipes I did cut already off here. There's about 4 to 5 meters, so I'm gonna put it in this pipe over here and then let it run down till here and down the side, and then here's the attachment. So this is gonna go in the hose pipe, and then this side is gonna go in here. Then I'm gonna have to cut the pipe because I have to connect this. So once I'm done with that, I'll get back to you. So I'll just show you what I'm gonna be doing then. Okay, so once I put that now in the thing, I'm gonna have to measure now all the distance from the plants, and then this I have to cut the wire and connect each of this one. I have to cut the pipe and then connect each side to a pipe. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to do that to all of this, and I'll be back. Okay, so before I even do the measuring for the side, I need to cut now this, put it in the hose pipe with that attachment. This, and you see how long it go down there. Then over here I have the splitter. I can split it to the right and the left. So yeah, let me put that first in. But I first need to measure this now, how long I need it to go down there. And this is a 20 meter. Okay, so yeah, I cut now the piece what I need. It's fine. So I'm just gonna put it in this on the tap, and then down here let's split it from there. Okay, so that other pipe thing didn't work on there. I need to put on here and then put this one rather on. Okay, so that's on now. I have to take the original pieces now off. Yeah, that is fine for now, like that. Okay, so that's it now. So I'm just gonna add this part, and then I'm gonna have to cut and put it in all of this here, and then see how it comes out when I'm done. Okay, so the first area I'm doing is over here where my onions is. So I'm just gonna have to cut this first in half. That, and then join this. Okay, so this is the way that the water is gonna drip out of. So here's the tea, and then just put the irrigation thing on top of it, and then the pipe in the side. Okay, then you want to put it nice and tight so they won't leak or anything. And then yeah, I'm just gonna go finish the others, and I'm done. I'll be back. Okay, so this one is all connected now. And I didn't yet join it, so I put a blocker in here to stop the water from coming out on that end, and this is how the blocker will look. Okay, so I want to test it now, the water. So I made this, cut this piece off and put a stopper there. So I'm just going to put on here so the water don't run out there, and I just focus on the one line. Okay, so that's on now, and I didn't push it too far in like the others because I'm still going to take this one off. Okay, so I got the tap on now, and it is dripping. Working quite well. Yeah, so the water's coming out quite well out of all of it. So I'm just gonna finish the rest, and once I'm done I'll get back and show you how it looks. Okay, so obviously here's the one. I did unplug it for now, as you can see here, and the one that runs down here, unplug that one too, and I'll show you now where is it. Okay, so what I did, I installed another pipe, but that ones I'm using only for the chilies, and I have 6 chili trees growing here, so I did one for each of that. So yeah, that's it. I'd like to say thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and also if you're old to the channel and you didn't yet subscribe, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed what you saw, leave a like, and we'd like to help the channel out. You can comment, like, and share the video, and also you can support the channel by becoming a member or sending a super thanks. Thank you for watching. Backyard out.